file path. In HTML file path, okay, in HTML file path, basically HTML file path is used to display the content, external content on a page. Okay, so what are the different contents as of now you have displayed on a page? So you have display the contents like images, okay, then YouTube videos or some files. We access the external files on a page. So for that purpose, we use the file path. Okay, so file path, in a file path there are different types of a file path. Okay, see, this is file path means the image is located on as a current in a current page. Just I go here and show you. Okay, so consider, I'll take here this image tab. Okay, I just put here image tab and I comment below section. Okay, that is a picture tab. I just comment it. Okay, so okay, so what we do, we just pass the path, means we give the path. So I have shown you here. I just do here. I say gateway of India is there, image is there. So this image. Now where is this my file? I just go in my folder. Okay, so this file, this is my file. Let me change the detail view so that okay, so this is my file where this is my responsive HTML. Responsive HTML is my HTML file. I close this. I close this up. Okay, this responsive HTML is my file. Where is it located? MS training, my HTML, visual code, and responsive HTML. Okay, so in this folder you can see this file is here. Okay, so in this file, you just concentrate here. In this file, what I do, I just pass my source here. Okay, you can see the source here. So source gateway of India. You can see image here, gateway India. So it directly take the gateway of, means it's in a same folder. Just I'll run this page. Okay, and I show you. Okay, what I do, I just click on this responsive HTML page. So you can see the gateway of India will be visible on our page. Okay, because we just gave this is within a same folder. Okay, now here images folder is there. Okay, here we have, you can see the different car images are there. If what I do, what I do, so here there are different car images are. So what I do, I just go and uh, change the path. See here, what I do, I know, I know my is in, it's in images folder. I know that this is within a images folder. So what I do, see, I just enter images. You can see here folder images slash. Which image you want? I say this image I want. Okay. So what is this? It provide me the IntelliSense. You know the IntelliSense. I just enter images because images is a folder here. Okay, you can see the image folder here. Okay, so images folder is the folder in a file where is located. Okay, so here images. Now see, I save this and I will go in my HTML and refresh that and refresh. Okay, it replaced with the car image now. But what happened? I use the images slash. Okay, when you go here, then you will understand better manner. Let me just show you file path. This is a file located within the current page. Okay, the same folder as a current page. Okay, file is located in image folder in a current page. See, image folder in a current page as I have shown you here. Image folder in a current page. Okay, now what it's saying, the file is located in image folder at the root of the current web. At the root of the current web. What it's saying, at the root of the current web. So what I do, for that purpose, I just write here slash. See, just a minute, it will show you root folder. What I do, just remove this and put slash. Okay, now, now what I do, I just copy it. These are images and picture.jpg slash I go in a folder and root ms training. Okay, consider this is a root folder. MS training is a root folder, and in D drive. Okay, MS training is a root folder. So what I do, I just paste here. Okay, so I just copy this. I just copy this image folder there. Okay, so that we understand. I paste it here. So I go here. Image is not here. Let me paste it here. There are many folder and folders of folder. That's why folder. D drive MS training images. Just hold on. So the images picture file is located in the image folder at the root of the current web. If I say root, taking different Windows users program files root. Just take this. Which folder we are here? This is going in C drive now. D drive images. Okay. Root file located in a folder one level up the current folder. Just a minute. Check this one level up the current folder. Dot slash. See. Now somehow we are not able to reproduce means tell you that means what is how this file is located at a root of the current web. Okay, so I will try it afterwards and check that how I can implement. But if we see this, the picture.jpg file is located in a folder one level up. So which is the one level up? See here, MS training, and I'm in this folder. Okay, here one level up means this level. I say I say up, rename one level up means I say image underscore up. So again I go here, this folder. Okay, so where is my code here? Okay, here, okay. So I just say dot slash. You can see image up means one level up, and you can select any image here. Okay, so like this way we can go here and my file. I just refresh it. Okay, you can see the image change. Okay, but this image is one level up. Okay, so this is the difference between the file path, how we can select the file path, which is these are the different ways through which we select the file path. Okay, so file path, a file path describes the location of a file in a website. Okay, so see, whenever you are working, then file is located at a different location. So how we can read that file in your page? There might be my css or images or a javascript file which is located here, but uh, your main page is here. Okay, so how you can read the file up one level up, then you need to write this way. Okay, so and if the file within a same folder, then how we can write, and if the file within another folder, then how we can write that. So these three way we have seen that how we can display the image, access the file. Okay, so now next, here. Okay, now see how what we can fetch. So different web pages, images, style sheet, javascript. So these are the different external files. We just link them on our page. Okay, absolute file path, absolute file path. here, absolute file path. Last time we have explored absolute and relative file path. Okay, we have explored absolute and relative file path. Means absolute file path means full URL. Full URL means if you want to access any image or anything, but it's online. Okay, then it's called as absolute path. But if we are uh, the relative file path means the image or anything within the same folder or within the same project solution, then we call it as a relative path. But if you are accessing from online some resources, then it's called as absolute path. Okay, this is the difference between the absolute and relative path. Then following example file path points in a file in an image folder located in a folder level up from the current folder, as I have shown you. The best practice to use relative path if possible. When using relative path, your web will not be bound to your current base URL. All link will work on your own computer localhost as well as on your current public domain at your future public domain. So using the relative path, when you are using, so they are saying the best is used relative file path. Okay, so what they are saying is always try to use the relative file path because those files and folders are uh, within your what I can say same folder. Okay, in a project solution. Okay, that's why they recommend to write the file path. Okay, now here HTML head tag is there. See HTML head tag. Earlier also we have explored what is the purpose of a head tag. Okay, so head tag which contain the different element container following. So title, we explored earlier title. You know the why use the style. Then meta, I will show you what is the purpose of meta. Then link, earlier also we refer the link tag to highlight the external CSS. Then script to fetch the external JavaScript and base tab. Okay, so these are the different elements are there. So HTML head element is a container for metadata, means the data about data is placed between the HTML tag and the body. So whenever you write the HTML, so the HTML page structure, as I have explained you earlier, there is a standard format of a HTML page structure. So what is the standard format? So you see first HTML, after that head tag. Within a head tag, there are different tags are there. Like style is there, meta tag is there. You can see the meta tag. I remove this. Okay, I remove this. If I say in head tag, you can see head is there. Then style is there. You can see the style tag is there. Then base tag is there. So different tags are there. Okay, different tags. Each tag having their own purpose. Okay, so head element container of the metadata, data about data, and it's placed between the HTML tag and body tag. So it is placed between HTML and बॉडी टैग, ये HTML टैग और ये बॉडी टैग, इन दोनों के बीच में इट कंटेन इन बिटवीन HTML टैग एंड बॉडी टैग, इन दोनों के बिटवीन ये हमारा हेड टैग रहता है. ओके, so उसमें what is the purpose of the head tag? It contain the metadata information. In that there are different element like style, script, then meta tag, okay, and then link tag, base tag. These are different tags are there within the head tag. Okay. So the title, as I have explored earlier, what is the purpose of the title? Again, I will show you the title. If I write here title and say my car page, okay, my car page. Okay. So if I save this and go here and refresh it, see here file name is here as responsive html.html. If I refresh it, you can see my car page. So whatever you can see in the tab which is from this title. Okay, again go ahead. Again, here title tag is required in HTML document. The content in a page title is a very important search engine optimizer. Means the search engine, Google search engine or whatever different kind of search engine, what they do, they just read it, means they refer this title tag. Okay, they refer this a title tag. Define title in a browser toolbar. Provide title for a page when it is added in a favorite. Okay, display title page means if you add this page in a bookmark or favorite, there also you can see the that page title. Okay, so display the title of a page in a search engine result. Okay, so this is the that is the purpose of the title tag. Okay, so then style, earlier also we have explored the style tag. The purpose of the style tag is to add the css on the page. Means what we say, uh, this uh, this style tag is used what means for uh, internal css. This style tag is used for internal css. There are three different ways to add the css on a page. Can someone tell me what are the three different ways to add the css on a page? Is there anyone? I think this fourth to fifth time I'm asking same question. Inline, sorry, identify, no, no, inline, then internal and external. These three ways we add the css on the page. Then link element, using a link element, we pass the reference of our css. Earlier also we have referred this link element. Link element define relationship between current document to the external source. This is a current document. This is the current means this link is on current document, but external source, which is external source, the css is our external source. Earlier we have used refer the external css on a page. Okay, so those who are new, I will show you how it will work in a coming topic. Okay, in tomorrow. To learn all about css, visit css tutorial. We are not attending the css tutorial. So meta element, so there are sometimes we saw that there is a meta tag is there. Element is typically used to specify the characteristic set, page describe, keyword, author, document, viewport setting. Okay, what is a viewport? I'll show you. Metadata will not be displayed on a page but are used by the browser how to display the content and reload on a page by search engine keyword and other web services. Okay, when you add the metadata tag, the content within the metadata will not display on the page. Okay, and so what I do, define character set use, define keyword search engine. So many times we use see this. Okay, utf-8. Can someone tell me what is the utf-8? Why? See, sometimes in a page you see like this. In head tag you can see like this. Okay, so can someone tell me utf-8? utf-8, any idea? Okay, so you just explore the utf-8. Utf-8 is the character set, and means you know the ASCII characters. Then the w3 standard define different kind of character set based on the languages. Okay? For English, we refer this. By default, browser refer the English character set. Again, tomorrow you just explore on this and tell me more on this. Okay. Again, this is if your metadata tag here like this means these are the keyword. Means whenever I search the content on a Google, then if your page contains like this HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then those are quickly visible on a page. Then it will help to the Google search engine to search the content. Google search engine, or there are different kind of search engine. So Google search engine, Bing search engine, Yahoo search engine. So these are the different kind of search engines are there. Means those we use to search the content. Okay. So basically, across the world, Google is preferable search engine. Okay. So after that, define description of the page. Free web means if you want to describe more about the page, if you have created page and I want more information about the page, then I just add it here. Okay, because this content will not display on a page. Okay, इसलिए ये बनाया है content. Okay, you can write the name of the person on the page. Refresh document every 30 seconds. See, now we check that what is the refresh document every, every 30 seconds. why you use this refresh document every second? If you are displaying a scorecard, cricket scorecard or something, then your page will get refreshed after every 30 seconds. I just refresh it. Okay. Now wait for 10 seconds and we check that whether my page is getting refreshed or not. Yeah, it's a refresh. I just see the, you just concentrate here, it refresh. I just change the time span 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, see, refresh. Now see, you can see fluctuation on a page. See, so this is for that purpose. It refresh the page every 2 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, whatever the interval you want to give. Okay, for that purpose you can attach the this. Okay, setting up viewport to make website look good in all devices. Okay, I will describe you viewport. So to make the website responsive, what is the meaning of the responsive? You can see here HTML responsive. I'll tell you what is the responsive. Responsive means in next topic we'll learn what is the responsive website. Responsive website means your website will uh, work on a different devices. Okay, your page will work on a different devices and it will change its width, height as per the device compatibility or hardware compatibility. Okay. So for that purpose, we use the viewport metadata. Okay. So here again, setting the viewport. Okay. Okay. So I will explain you how viewport work. Okay. In incoming topic, I will explain you what is the how the viewport work. Okay, setting up the viewport.